you don't really cut daffodils. If you want to bring daffodils inside and put them in a vase, you don't cut daffodils, you pick daffodils. And the reason being is there's a virus that daffodils can get. And since they're such long-lived plants, you don't want to spread the virus from plant to plant with your tool, your knife, your pruners, or whatever. So we tell people you pick your daffodils, and then you can go back and make a clean cut and put them in warm, tepid water and put them in a refrigerator. We use a floral cooler here at the Dixon. But I'm going to show you how to do that here. You reach in, you follow your hand down the stem and go as deep as you can, and then it's this snap that you have. It's a little twist of the wrist, and it'll snap them off clean, and it doesn't hurt the bulb. And this is a variety Ceylon, and it is really, really tough. It's withstand the rain and the winds, and it's still standing up proud and strong. This would make a good show flower because of the angle. It's kind of looking at you. The face is looking at you, but this is a really good daffodil. And just remember, you don't want to spread that virus to all of your daffodils, so pick them, don't cut them.